Hi there, in this video we are going to learn when to use sine, cosine or tangent rule. Now this only applies to the right angle triangle. We use sine rule we're going to use sine rule on triangle when there's three things present: angle, hypotenuse and the opposite side. This is when we use the sine rule. Here we could use the opposite and hypotenuse to find the angle, or we can use the opposite and the angle to find the hypotenuse, or we can use the angle and the hypotenuse to find the opposite side. The formula we could use is sine angle is opposite over hypotenuse, or you could use the triangle going clockwise, sine angle opposite and hypotenuse. Be mindful that when we are looking for opposite side, we have to multiply the two bottom side using a triangle, or if I'm looking for the angle, I will have to divide the opposite with the hypotenuse, and if I'm looking for hypotenuse, I will divide opposite with the sine angle. Now when to use cosine? Cosine is we have the angle, everything is reference to the angle here, and right next to the angle is the adjacent side, opposite the 90 degree is the hypotenuse. Okay, so once we have this, we can use the hypotenuse and the adjacent side to find the angle, or we can use the angle and hypotenuse to find the adjacent, or we can use the angle and adjacent side to find the hypotenuse. Now the formula we're going to use is cos angle is adjacent over hypotenuse, which you could also use the triangle in order to calculate any one of these given the two other sides. Now when to use tangent? Again, we need the angle, but when do we use tangent is when the opposite side and the adjacent side is present. When we use tangent rule, we do not need the hypotenuse. So formula we can use is tan angle is opposite over adjacent, or if you want to use a triangle, you could go tan angle opposite and adjacent. Now although three have the same thing, if I'm calculating any of the top, I multiply the bottom values. If I'm looking for one of the sides, then I have to divide the top and the bottom. Now remember, we use any of the three provided we have two things and we are looking for the third one. So it's always advised to label the triangle and what's given to you. This will help you to solve the problem. So when we label them, two of the three things should be present in order to find a third. Once again, please label the triangle with opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse, or the angle. Do not need to label more than what you need. Label the two things that is there and the third thing that you have to find. Check with the corresponding formulas and then solve. In the next few videos you'll find some examples of sine rule, cosine rule and tangent rule. Please see them and follow, and please try some exercise. Thank you for watching.